Hello everybody, it's me Super Chinmay, and today earlier on Sony dropped out the first look of sequel of Spider-Man to Spider-Verse which won an Oscar, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. Okay, so first of all, the first part of this movie was epic, it was great, it won Oscar. I would keep it in one of the top 5 movies of all time, animated. And now the second part came out, and in the title it's mentioned that it's part 1 of Spideyverse. So is there gonna be third part? But that does not matter, because what matters right now is the 80% of the trailer was in India. Yeah, does that confuse you? Or if you are from a foreign country who does not know Hindi, well, you are at the right place, because I'm going to tell about those scenes and translate them to you. First look starts with the line somewhere far in a universe, and then the glitches happen, and if you stop at the exact time, you will see that out of those glitches we can see the same line written in Hindi. किसी
इस दौरान
ब्रह्मांड
एक
में
दूसरे
बहुत
दूसरे
बहुत
ब्रह्मांड में
दूर. That's what written in Hindi. It literally means somewhere in far away universe. Well, the trailer begins with Miles, now a bit grown up as 2 years have passed by, sleeping on his bed and listening to Save Sunflower. Music never gets old, right? And then suddenly Gwen comes out of nowhere, and she asks Miles to follow her, and he does. And then some glitches happen, and we jump into another universe alongside Miles. And in that universe, you can clearly tell from the sightings, if you are Indian, that it's Mumbai, the southern city, coastal city of India. It's very famous, you all know it. You can see the traditional coconut trees of Mumbai, the tall buildings, some colonies, and industrialization, it's all there. And then it goes by, and you see when Spider-Man Miles Morales shoots his web, the sound effects are written in Hindi. Let me show this. Like right here. These symbols may seem irretrievable to you, but these are written in Hindi, and it's written swish. And there are many more like these, like the sound effect twang, boom, bam, all written in the Hindi language. And at the exact time, somewhat like Indian music is playing. When I saw the first look for the first time, I was like, this sounds Indian, but it may be some of the Gulf country, or maybe some Arabic tune, I don't know, just stereotypes. But I rewatched the first look in 0.25 XP, and I see this scene right here. It's written Kishore Taylor. Kishore is an Indian name, and if any Kishore is watching this video, congratulations, you made it into the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And there are many more scenes like this, many more hoardings with Indian ads, like there's an ad of a scooty on a hoarding, and then there's somewhat like a Bollywood poster right there, and then there is a hoarding on which it is written Mumbai, and there's another hoarding on which it is written Family Resto Bar, which just means a restaurant for family. And then the Spider-Man 299 comes out of nowhere and hits Miles Morales with another Hindi sound effect, and then they go crashing onto the floor, and there we get the sound effect dhadam, and it just means like when you crash, like bang, boom. It's Hindi version dhadam. And then we see a device on Spider-Man 299's hand, which he maybe uses to time travel, to travel between multiverses, which we saw in the post-credit scene of Spider-Man to Spideyverse. And then he just switches, and they go into another universe. You can even see some Indian monuments right there. The Indian architecture style. What does that mean? If it was something normal like a 10-second thing or just a one dialogue, I would take it randomly, I would just forget. but nearly 80% of a trailer being featured on India. What does that mean now? Well, I believe that there is no Indian superhero in Marvel Cinematic Universe, but today that's proved wrong because according to my fellow YouTuber Comicverse, thanks to him for this information. This guy's a legend. If you got time, please check him out. He told me these following things in his video. First of all, there was a special edition of Spider-Man comics which were named Spider-Man India, in which it included an Indian boy named Pavitra, which means holy in English, who lived with his aunt Maya and uncle Bheem. Get it? Aunt May, Maya, then Bheem. And his story is pretty similar like a Peter Parker. And that's not it. He has a very important role in the Spideyverse comic, the comic where all the Spider Universe collabed. In that comic, Pavitra was the man who built the the multiverse traveling device. So maybe Marvel and Sony are bringing Pavitra into the movie, or maybe they will do same thing with each region, like if they go to somewhat like a earlier Middlestone era, there will be a Middlestone type Spider-Man over there, and when they come to India, there's Indian Spider-Man Pavitra here. I don't know, but whatever it is, it's just crazy. The movie is set to come out in late 2022 and I'm really excited for it. That's got a bait. Those were the Indian hidden details in the first look of Spider-Man across the Spideyverse. Let's see what the future beholds. Till then, it was with Super Chimay. I will see you next time. Till then, stay safe and stay too sweet.